Living on Mars, the ultimate adventure for humanity? Imagine waking up to the glow of a Martian sunrise, stepping outside your habitat to explore the red planet. Sounds like science fiction? Well, it's closer to reality than you think. Humanity has always dreamed of exploring the stars. Now, the next great adventure? Mars. But is living on Mars the ultimate step for humanity? Or are we walking into a colossal challenge? Visionaries like Elon Musk and NASA believe that establishing a human colony on Mars is not only possible but essential. It's seen as the ultimate insurance policy, a way to ensure the survival of our species if Earth faces an existential threat. It's either we become a multi-planetary species or we risk extinction. But beyond survival, living on Mars presents an opportunity to redefine what it means to be human. A blank slate where we can build, innovate, and push the boundaries of science and culture. The challenges. Yet, living on Mars won't be a walk in the park. From its extreme weather to the thin atmosphere, the planet poses challenges unlike anything we've ever faced. The average temperature on Mars is about minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit, and the air, almost entirely carbon dioxide. For humans to survive, we'd need highly advanced life support systems and habitats that protect us from the planet's harsh conditions. Radiation is another invisible threat. Without Earth's protective magnetic field, Martian settlers would be exposed to dangerous levels of cosmic rays. So, how do we build a safe environment 140 million miles from home? The technology. The good news? Technology is evolving rapidly. 3D printing could allow us to use Mars' own resources to build habitats. Autonomous rovers will explore and map the terrain, and advancements in artificial intelligence will help us manage life support systems and energy production. We're talking about self-sustaining colonies, solar energy, hydroponic farming, water extraction from the Martian soil. These aren't just dreams. Prototypes are already being tested. One of the biggest hurdles, though, will be getting to Mars and back. With current technology, it would take around 7 to 9 months to reach the red planet. The journey itself presents a host of risks, from cosmic radiation to the physical toll of zero gravity, the psychological impact. And what about the psychological toll? Mars is far from Earth, both physically and emotionally. Settlers will experience extreme isolation, no quick trips home, no real-time communication with loved ones. How will humans cope with the loneliness, the confinement, and the knowledge that they are pioneers in an entirely alien world? It's not just about surviving physically, it's about mental endurance. Can we thrive in an environment where we are completely cut off from everything we know? The impact on humanity. Yet despite all the challenges, living on Mars could redefine the future of humanity. It's about more than survival. It's about pushing the limits of human potential. Mars could become a symbol of global collaboration, scientific innovation, and a new frontier of exploration. It could inspire a new generation of explorers, thinkers, and dreamers. The first humans to step foot on Mars may be children alive today. They will be the pioneers of an era where humanity isn't confined to one planet. So, is living on Mars the ultimate adventure for humanity? It's risky, it's daunting, but it could be the next great leap in our story. One that takes us beyond our home planet, into the stars, and into a future we've only just begun to imagine. Subscribe for more on space exploration, the future of humanity, and everything in between.